Hola chicos y chicas. So today I just wanted to go over one homework assignment and continue with these irregular verbs in the usted commands. So I'm just going to ask you if you could split screen your homework from 9.6 or classwork that was due on Tuesday homework, and if you guys can check your answers as I go. So número uno, the yo form of decir is digo. You're going to drop the O and it should be diga. And the plural should be digan. Número dos, the yo form of hacer is yo hago. You're going to drop the O and put the opposite endings, haga. And then for plural, it would be hagan. Number three is pongo. So you still have an O, drop the O, add opposite endings, ponga and pongan. For salir, salgo, so it would be salga and salgan. Tener is yo traigo. That might be one that you had to jog your memory on. And the opposite of an ER verb would be traiga. Traiga and traigan. There we go. My spelling was a little off. Now, número seis. The yo form is conozco. There is still an O, so it's going to be conozca and conozcan. Okay, and again, the reason why we go to that yo form is because there's those simple stem changers in the yo that if you don't go to the yo form, you might have put conoca instead of conozca. Now, these five, you have to be careful. If you go to the yo form of sed, it's soy. The yo form of estar is estoy. The yo form of ir is voy. The yo form of saber is sé. And the yo form present tense is yo doy. None of these five have an O in the yo form, making them all irregular and the ones that you would have had to memorize. Okay? But what we want to go back to is that the irregular ones, just a few of them, have to be memorized, right? So, said would be sea and sean. Estar would be este with an accent and esten. Ir would be ve, or well, it would be vaya, right? Vaya and vayan. Number 10 would be sepa, so this one's very different than its form, and sepan. And the last one you should have given de and den. So aside from the first few, the last few have to absolutely be memorized. And they don't look necessarily like they're regular forms. But that's exactly what I wanted you guys to check your work. So today's homework / classwork is going to be 9.7. If you guys can go to 9.7, we're going to work on that. And then tomorrow in our conference, we're going to learn how to say, like, instead of read the book, read it. We're going to learn how to just put those pronouns that we've been working on onto the end. See? So chicos, if you can go now to your classwork and then make sure you submit it. And that's all I have for you. Bien? Okay, chicos, tengan buen día.